This video will see the recipe of very nice and cute samosas made with the cover of Sooji. Yes, with Sooji. In a bowl, take 1 cup Sooji or Rava. Add some salt as per taste. 2 teaspoon ghee or clarified butter. You need to mix everything well. Now start by adding a little water at a time. We need to make medium soft dough, so not very hard and not loose. And remember, if you keep the dough for some time, the Sooji soaks water. So your dough might feel a little loose at the beginning, but after resting, it would become normal. So knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover it with a cloth and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the filling meanwhile. In the pan, heat some oil and add 1/4 teaspoon hing or asafoetida, half teaspoon cumin or jeera. And once the jeera crackles, you need to add 1 tablespoon coriander powder or dhaniya powder. Keep the flame low at this time. Now add 1/4 cup green peas. I'm adding frozen green peas, so these don't take a lot of time for cooking. If you're using fresh peas, they will take some time to cook. Now add half teaspoon Sounf powder, 1/2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1/2 teaspoon red chilli powder. I'm using Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Keep the flame low and stir the masala. If the flame is high, the masalas would burn. Now these are mashed potatoes, 300 gram boiled potatoes. Add some salt as per taste. Now you need to mix everything well and make sure that the flame is between low to medium at this time. So I used a fork because it helped me mash the potatoes better. So this filling is ready. Let's keep it aside and let it cool down. Now our dough has been resting for 15 minutes. Just knead it again for 2 to 3 minutes. If you feel that the dough has become very dry, just dip your hands in some water and knead the dough, and it would just come out perfect. Now take a small portion of the dough and use some Maida or wheat flour and roll the dough like this. Make a thin chapati. So basically it's not like a chapati, it's like a puri, but I've made it in oblong shape. So you can see it's not perfectly round, it's oblong. Divide this roti into 2 parts and we're going to make the samosa shape like this. But to seal it, we need to use some water. So I'm using water for sealing the edges. The samosa pocket is ready. Now I'm going to put the potato stuffing inside. Make sure you seal the samosas well, otherwise these would burst while you fry them. And the sealing of samosa should not be very tight. Just leave a little bit of space inside so that when you fry the samosas, it gets some space to, the filling gets some space to expand. Otherwise, the samosas will burst in oil. So remember that. So I've made 12 mini samosas. Still enough dough is left that I can make 12 more samosas out of them. But I'm going to just fry 12 for now. I'll do the rest later. So heat some oil to medium flame and add samosas. Make sure the oil is not too hot while you add the samosas. Otherwise the Sooji cover would remain raw inside. So medium flame. Fry the samosas till they become golden and crispy. Just perfect like this. Similarly, fry the rest of the samosas. So our crispy samosas are done. I'll just cut one open and show you. So it's very nice and crisp, a khasta what we call in Hindi. Just perfect. Try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comment section if you like this. Enjoy!